In this video, we are going to see how we can convert the sales order to the sales invoices using the quickest methods possible. So let's get started. So here in this entry, it says send all items to Mr. Abubakar against previous sales order. So if you remember, we entered a sales order number 55, and against that we have also received an advance. So you might remember that at the point of sales order, we have also mentioned the customer advances so that we don't forget it in future. So let's see how we can do this entry. It's very simple to convert sales order to sales invoice. What you have to do is just start entering the invoice and it will automatically suggest that an order is behind that. Let me show you how. So I'll click on create invoice and just directly select Abubakar as if you don't remember anything. So let's select and it will show you that a pending sales order is available. Do you want to convert it? Yes. Click OK and specify what you want to include in the invoice. You want to convert all the sales order, you want to create an invoice for selected items. In this case, we are converting the complete sales order. Click OK. And you can see that the customer advance is automatically transferred here. So that's best for us. And the date of transaction is 19 January. So let's make it 19 January and click on save and new. So let's see the transaction journal report. I'll go back, go to reports and transaction journal. And at this point, it looks quite lengthy entry, but it's very simple. Account receivable to sales and cost of goods sold to inventory is the basic entry. But we have also adjusted customer advances. So let me show you in Word how this entry actually looks. So this is how the actual entry is. The sale amount total was 652,000, out of which we have received advance. So the total receivable is 652 minus 378. So receivable is debit with 274,000. Debit customer advances. Why debit? Because that customer advances was liability. So now we are settling it against the total receivable. So that's why debit, the reversal of customer advances. 378,000. Then comes the sale amount of 652,000. And then comes our cost of goods sold to inventory, the regular entry. So this is how the actual entry is. Let's close this. No. And this is how we convert the sales order to sales invoice in QuickBooks.